I'm Justin6, and today I'm going to just talk about my experience with Ludum Dare 42. This was the first Ludum Dare I entered. I basically made my game in 2 days, so like 48 hours, even though I entered it as a jam game. I technically could have used 72 hours, but I didn't have the time because on the third day I had an interview at a university, and I wanted to make the Ludum Dare game in time to show the interviewer the game, and I got into the university, so I guess that worked out. My experience with the Ludum Dare was pretty cool. I learned a lot. The engine I used to make the game was Construct 3, and I'd only worked with that engine for literally a week before entering the Ludum Dare and making the game with it. And this was my first time finishing a game like properly for a game jam, though it wasn't my first game jam. It was maybe like my second solo, third if you count the very first one I did where I was just managing people and telling them what to do. And yeah, it was definitely cool to just see a game of mine like come to fruition. And I think I'm famous now, guys, because like a YouTuber made a video on my game, and that's how fame works, right?
What is going on, guys? My name is Mr. Tubby 200, Justin6's brand new game that he just made. I'm super excited. I think it's called Progression. Look at the graphics, guys. Look at the graphics.
This weird guy named Mr. Tubby 200 made a video on it.
Cause I'm so goddamn fit, boy!
So I think that's what that means. Either way, I think it's cool that he made a video on it. Thank you, Mr. Tubby 200. And yeah, basically I made the art for the game. I did visual scripting through Construct 3 to do the behaviors, and it was just cool. The game's inspired kind of like by Binding of Isaac, so if you like that, you might like the game. It's really short though right now. I want to update it, and it'll continue to be free, all the updates. I just want to make it better, smoother, add more content, all that stuff, because I got a lot of feedback on things to change. So I'm going to work on those things and continue to learn. And then I'm also going to do another game jam at the end of this month, Game Maker's Toolkit. And I don't know, I'm just making this video to share my experience and basically say if you want to learn anything with game making or like game design, programming, or anything, I think participating in a game jam is like a really good experience. You learn so much so quickly because you're forced to crunch, you know, you're forced to make something really quickly and finish. And the experience of finishing something even small is just really good. So for those of you that have seen my videos before I made them all private, I used to make Let's Plays. I failed doing that on YouTube. Now I'm going to try doing vlogs. I don't know how consistent I'll be. I don't expect to get like more than like 10 views, but you know, that's okay. And yeah, I'm not going to do Let's Plays anymore. It was fun when I played with friends, so I'll probably have some Let's Plays on Mr. Tubby 200's channel with him. I'll still do like collab stuff with him, but on my channel, I'm probably just going to do vlogs. So if you want to do that, you can stick around. If not, then yeah, bye, I guess. But yeah, if you want more vlogs, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, all that stuff. If you subscribe, click the bell. Apparently that's a thing now. Apparently if you subscribe, YouTube doesn't tell you that anything. It just doesn't work unless you hit the little bell thing. So hit the bell, guys, but first subscribe.